Alrighty mga kaunggoy, it is I, Manong Jaire, back at it again with a trending topic, usapang video mga kaunggoy. At tungkol ito sa trending topic na si, ano ba pangalan nitong taong to? Jude Bacalso. I think alam nyo na yung issue nito. Tungkol ito sa waiter na misgender kuno mga kaunggoy. So basically, itong post na to, so nakita ko to kanina, nangyari ito bandang 6 PM Hulyo 21, 2024. Basically, ang nangyari dito, pinatayo yung poor waiter, ito, yan, and ito si Jude, kung ano man pangalan niya, si Jude, tawagin na lang natin siyang Sir, okay? So, itong si Sir ay nagalit dito kay waiter kasi na misgender siya, tinawag siyang Sir. That's basically the entire issue. And because of that, na-offend to, kung sino man to, si Jude, no? 2 oras niyang pinatayo yung waiter, ni-reprimand, at pinagalitan or kung ano man, parang pinagsabihan lang na, oh, you should not misgender me because I am this, I have an advocacy shit mga kaunggoy, no? Meron akong advocacy, blah blah blah, kung ano man pinagsasabi nito. So ayun, basically itong issue na to mga kaunggoy, it's misgenderment. Pero here's the thing mga kaunggoy, kahit anong anggulo tingnan, etong si Jude, pangalan Jude Bacalso, biologically, this person is not a real woman. Now, here's the thing. Bakit ang pangalan niya Jude? Binigay yan sa kanya ng parents niya siguro dahil alam ng parents niya when this person came out of her mother's pussy, this was a man. May tite ito, no? Basically, may patutoy itong taong to. And because of that, they gave him the name Jude. Biologically, kahit anong mangyari mga kaunggoy, yung hormone levels, alright? Hindi nila mapapalitan yan. The hormone levels say that this person is still a man. Kahit ano pang mangyari, kahit anong misgender, kung ano man gender shit ang ano niya, this person is still a man. Scientifically. That is science. Actually, Manong Jaire, bakit sa lahat ng mga issue, ito yung pinag-usapan mo? Bakit Manong Jaire? Anong pake mo? Bakit mo pinag-usapan to? Well, here's the thing. Nasa na yun? This waiter right here is a customer service worker. Pag sinabi kasing customer service, ito yung mga call center or yung mga nasa grocery, mga staff sa grocery. Alam niyo na yun, yung mga nagbebenta ng mga shit, ganun, blah blah blah. And alam natin na this is a working man, and nakakaawa kasi this person, this waiter right here, hindi enough ang kinikita niya araw-araw to deal with shit like this. Here's the thing, I used to work at a grocery mga kaunggoy back in the day. It sucks. I have to say, I have to be honest, it fucking sucks. I hate people. Ang daming mga tanga. If you've worked with customers, alam mo ang daming mga tanga sa buong mundo. Like, mapapano ka talaga na parang, bakit ang daming tanga sa buong mundo? Mapapaganon ka lang bigla mga kaunggoy. Kaya, ayoko na magtrabaho sa kahit anong job na mag-aano sa mga customers, no? To deal with fucking customers. Kasi ang daming mga customers na nakakainis, mga kaunggoy. Tingnan natin mga comments, ang daming nagbabash sa kanya, and rightfully so. Deserve niya mabash dahil sa pinaggagawa niya. Misgender! Oh, ganyan. Actually, ito, napadaan lang sa isip ko mga kaunggoy. Alam niyo yung mga memes sa Amerika? Ang daming mga memes na, oh, did you just assume my gender? How dare you assume my gender? Tapos yung iba-iba kulay yung buhok. Tapos kung anong pinagsusuot. Alam niyo yung mga ganon, yung mga ganon tao. Nagagalit sila pag nagkamali ka ng pronouns na ginamit sa kanila. And here's the thing, malay ba namin kung ano ba talaga ang fucking gender mo? Kung ano ba talaga or how the fuck you identify yourself. At saka ito sir, I'm gonna address you as sir because that is what you are. No matter what the fuck you do, no matter what hairstyle you do, no matter how much makeup you put on your fucking goddamn face, you are still sir. Okay, so ito. If you wanted to fucking make a complaint, you should complain to the manager, not the waiter. Okay? This does not make sense. Paki ba ng waiter or malay ba ng waiter kung ano yung fucking gender mo? Tsaka ito nakakainis tong post na to. Ang ganda-ganda ko para matawag na sir. Dapat sa mga waiter na walang common sense matanggal sa trabaho. Okay, bitch. Ay, sorry. Okay, sir. Ang ganda-ganda ko. San banda? Ha? Kamukha mo si Ursula dun sa Little Mermaid. Real talk yan. Real talk yan. You are a Disney princess villain at best. Ang sensitive mo naman, nagkamali yung waiter, ginawa mong big deal, kinausap mo yung waiter for 2 hours, sinayang mo yung oras ng waiter for 2 hours para lang sabihin yung gender, ganto, ganyan. Okay, you misgendered me. You assumed my gender. Shut the fuck up, bitch! Shut the fuck up! No one gives a fuck. Actually, naawa ako sa waiter kasi alam niyo kung bakit siya sumunod na lang. Kasi kitang-kita naman na he needs this job. And kailangan niya to. And tiniis na lang niya kasi parang he has no other jobs to go to. Wala siyang freelance, wala siyang other backup jobs. Ito lang yung job niya, kaya parang tiniis na lang niya para lang ayun, ganyan na lang siya. Tapos, ewan, nakakaawa yung waiter dito. Sobrang nakakaawa. Kasi like, alam mo yun, yung trabaho mo nasa peligro because of one stupid idiot na nag-complain na wala naman sense. Walang sense yung pinagko-complain netong Jude Bacalso. Sir, walang sense. Walang may pake dyan sa shit mo. No one gives a fuck about your plight. I don't care. Okay? I have friends who are gay. At hindi naman sila ganto ka OA. How the fuck do you function, sir? What is wrong with you? Simple pagkakamali, ginawa mong big deal. Sinayang mo yung oras ng waiter when he could have served other customers. Instead, he's here dealing with your bullcrap. Dapat sa mga waiter na walang common sense matanggal sa trabaho. Okay, stupid. Common sense, you still look like a man. You are still a fucking man. You will never be a real girl. Itch that into your skull. Isaksak mo sa utak mo yan. You will never, capital N, all caps, never. You will never be a real female. You will never be a real woman. And that is a fact. Hindi yan pangbabash or kung ano man. That is a fact. Scientifically, you will never be a real 100% woman. Dapat sa mga entitled na mga kupal na tulad mo, matanggalan ng privileges. Right? Okay? Dapat yung mga kupal na privilege na feeling high and mighty na tao na tulad mo, dapat mawalan ng privileges. How about that? How about that shit, huh? Fuck off, man. Yes, I deleted, hindi ko alam kung ano dinelete niya, nor do I give a fuck. Yes, I deleted it because you guys don't deserve any of my time. Also asking for my apology. Yes, you should apologize because you are the wrong here. You are the stupid prick in this scenario. Why? You guys don't deserve to be human as well? Same for you. You don't deserve to be human as well, bitch. Ginudge nyo ako agad-agad, not fully knowing the whole story and jump to conclusions. Parang yung ginawa mo, no? No? Ginudge mo agad yung waiter. Sinayang mo ang oras ng waiter. Punyeta ka. Bash lang kayo ng bash. Magkakapera naman kayo niyan. Of course. Don't mind if I do. Pag pinost ko tong video na ito, limpak-limpak na pera na naman ito mga kaunggoy kasi trending topic. Alright? So, solid yan. Solid lang to. This was 4 hours ago and basically nagsorry na daw siya sa mga staff and I'm not sure if nagsorry na din siya sa waiter as well. Alam mo, bigyan niya ng tip yung waiter. Bigyan niya ng tip ang waiter kasi sinayang niya yung oras at enerhiya ng waiter. To be fucking frank. Yan yung mga pinagsasabi niya. So, nagsorry na daw siya. So, good for him, no? Good for him. Good for Sir Jude Bacalso. Goods yan, no? So, nagsorry siya. Pursue together more inclusive practices. Inclusive? Hindi ba yung pagsaserve nila sa'yo? Inclusive na yon? Hindi ba yung pagtiis ng waiter para makinig sa bullshit mo is inclusive enough? What the fuck is wrong with your brain? Ano ba meron sa taong to? Like, what the fuck? Actually, buti hindi ako yung waiter kasi kung ako yung waiter na to, nag-walk out na ako eh. Iniwan ko na lang siya, like, inignore ko tong hinayupak na to eh. Yun yung gagawin ko. If I was the waiter, I would just leave this fucking, you know, the fucking conversation because it's clearly stupid. It's clearly unproductive. It is clearly shit. Ito yung waiter, ang gagawin ko, I'ma yeet myself out. Bitch, get the fuck out of here. I ain't wasting my time on you. I got other customers to accommodate. Fuck you. You don't make sense. Walang sense yung pinagsasabi mo. You are just being plain stupid. Yun yung sasabihin ko sa lintik na taong to, okay? Di ba may advocacy atong taong to? How the fuck do you expect to further your advocacy by doing this shit? You are not helping the cause. You are not helping your cause. Instead, you are making the LGBTQ community look bad. Ang daming mga respectful at mga mababait na gay people and lesbian, trans people, no? Ang daming mga mababait na yon na LGBT, no? And you are ruining them. Ito, basahin natin yung mga comments patungkol sa kanya. You are being entitled. Their supervisor or manager should be the one to address your issue. As I said a while ago, yon. Sana lahat po ng worker i-educate nyo na I have nothing wrong against you. Reality check. You acted like a diva even though this bitch clearly does not look like a diva. Kamukha niya yung kalaban ni Little Mermaid, yung squid na mataba na malaki. Ito, yan, kamukha mo yan. Mere fact they earn a little for living. Wala na po silang time para i-check pa mga gender issue mo. Mismo! Itong mga nasa, yung mga minimum wage shit, halos majority ng araw nila nasa trabaho sila. Wala na silang time para mag-research sa mga gender shit, no? Kasi pag uwi nila, pagod na sila, tulog na sila. Tas kinabukasan, papasok na naman sila to deal with stupid customers like you, no? Ano yan? Wala na silang time para mag-research pa. Addressing you as sir is not a form of discrimination. For real, it is a respectful way to address you, acknowledging your status as a man. Biologically, you are a man, which justifies the use of this title. Miss Mo. Actually, itong comment agad, na to eh. Talo na tong Mr. Jude Bacalso na to eh. Itong comment pa lang, tapos na. Actually, futile na itong video na ito eh. Itong comment pa lang, solid na eh. Pagiging magalang pa din naman ang tawagin kang sir though. Kasi alam ng waiter na you are parang high class shit dahil sa pinagsusuot mo. For sure, wala masyadong alam yung waiter sa mga gender issues. Kaya, the best way he could think of is call him sir. Alright? Sir na lang ang itawag para malay ba niya na sobrang sensitive kang inayupak ka? So kung tingnan mo tong page ni Jude Bacalso, puro shit. Dami mga pinagsasabi. Bago kayo mang-hate, look what I have achieved. Mga hampas lupa na basher. Here's the thing. Your achievements mean shit if you are a shitty person. I don't care how rich you are, how luxurious your life is, or how much money you make every day, every week, every month. I don't give a flying fuck. Wala akong pakialam dyan sa achievements mo, because if you are a piece of shit, tae ka lang sa paningin ko. Animal! Wala kang kwentang tao pag shit ang pakikitungo mo sa mga ibang tao. Lalo na sa mga, yun nga, yung mga nagtatrabaho. Naiinis talaga ako sa mga ito. Yung mga mataas ang estado ng buhay, tapos kung paano nila tratuhin ng mga, yung mga nagwo-work, or yung mga people beneath them. Nakakainis mga kaunggoy, mga feeling entitled na mga putang ina, no? Nakakainis. Anyway, what are your thoughts on all of this? Put it in the comments below and let me know. Don't spread hate. Love each other mga kaunggoy, no? Spread love and all that beautiful shit kung ano man, alright? And that's the bottom line, because Manong Jairez said so. If you wanna help the channel, donations will be appreciated.